2006 Audi A4 convertible, 56,000 miles, one owner, Texas vehicle. Yes, this is a one owner Audi A4 convertible with 56,000 miles. It is in remarkable condition. Needs absolutely nothing mechanically or cosmetically. Top works perfect. We're going to show you that in just a second. It's the 1.8 turbo, full service records, one owner vehicle, no accidents, in absolutely, once again, remarkable condition. You will not find a door ding on this thing. It is running. Everything works as it should. Gray leather seats. They're like new. Original mats. Carfax report. Heated seats. 56,108 miles. Power seats on both sides, power windows, locks, mirrors. It's the premium, so it has the Bose sound system. All right, now we will show you the power top operation. Power top works perfectly. And now back up. And there you have it. Needs absolutely nothing. This is a one-of-a-kind vehicle. So a 2006 Audi A4 convertible with 56,000 miles, one owner, in like new condition.